Alright guys, today we're cutting up some more pine logs here for the maple syrup ark this winter. We're getting it all cut up, split up, stacked up, and ready to go. Stay with me, show you what I'm doing. Now we're only going to cut that far through this log because it's resting right on the ground. I don't want to dull out the chain on my saw, so we're only going to cut part way through, then roll this log and cut the other half. First things first, we'll get this cut made all the way down the length of this log. Ready to roll this log over. The reason we're rolling the log is so we can cut the last little bit on the other side. Once we roll this over, we don't have to worry about grounding our chain on the chainsaw. And if we ground the chain, we're going to have a very long, very unhappy day sharpening chains. So let's get this rolled over and save ourselves some time. Now that this log is rolled over, we're going to go ahead and nip the last little bit that's there holding this log together. Alright, that's it. That log is cut up.
Wow, it's funny how much wood you can stack in not even a half hour.
It's true. Now, see, I enjoy doing this kind of stuff. When you enjoy what you're doing, it's not really work.
Yeah, I know.
When you're not working, time flies. Alright guys, that's it for today's episode. I got all the rest of those pine logs cut up, split up, and stacked up. So that's it for today. I should have just about enough wood now for my wood-fired maple syrup arc to burn this winter to evaporate off my maple sap. So I hope to see you soon on my next episode. See you later.